Yo, bro. So the people have been asking where you've been, you know. I let a person say that they haven't seen you in a while. I wonder if you're missing in action.
You know, sometimes you have to keep a low profile.
That is it. That is it.
You know, as a wanted man, you can't really be out there in the public. No?
Well, what are that? But anyways, Wagwan, people I'm going to want to know what the update. Last update I gave them was when, you know, we shot in the rural renewal stream and we there go and wait on it. What the update on that?
Well, I mean, not much, not really change. You just make things take a due process.
Yeah. Just go and wait.
Yes, up there, so just go and wait for immigration to get back to us. I mean, that's all we can do, still.
Yeah. So, yeah, like the winter.
The winter, kind of get used to it now. Well, I guess I can't really get used to it, but I adapt.
Adapt, yeah.
I mean, the only thing I can do, just make sure you're dress for it. If you're not dress for it, you're not going to manage.
So, were you surprised, just when the things say winter done, winter start again?
No, because remember, stay from there when you warn me. It's something that will let my guard down and make it fool me.
Yeah, because Rochelle been saying that she think winter done and keep laughing and I say what she talk about, but
no. I mean, as me said, you've been warning us that nobody make it fool her that it's gonna break for a while and then it's gonna come again. So I always have that at top of mind, you know, say it's so there on the corner.
Gotcha.
And this way coming.
Yeah, guys. So special like on the video, you know, still boss here, you know. All of you guys been asking where I'm there, see me, if they see me, man. So what you have to say to the people, bro? People, you have people out there I check for you too, you know. What you have to say to the people, where constantly I check up and I just want to know what God.
Oh, I mean, big up on yourself. And thanks for having us in top of mind.
That is
Not
it.
forgetting about us, but asking about us. Yeah, that's really appreciative.
That is it. That is it. So you're there for a couple of months. Waiting about Grand Prairie. Can't wait to get out.
Get out? No, not really. I mean, once the opportunities are here, then I don't know where I go.
Yeah.
Because that's why I'm here for the opportunities. And based on what I've heard and seen, I will look for opportunities there.
What opportunities there?
So for the time being, where am I gonna go?
There's so many places I can go, man. Like, remember, you know, probably Russia want to go to the big city. I don't know.
Which goes back, only opportunities are here. Opportunity for a person to grow and develop and to become their best self. Where I don't think I'm gonna get that elsewhere.
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
it's here, a dime a dozen.
Yeah. So in other words, guys, come to Grand Prairie because there's lots of opportunities. We've been saying that. You understand? One Zuri over there says I feel her face. Say hi, Zuri.
Hi.
What you eating?
Oat porridge.
Oats porridge? You like oats porridge? That is it. And Malika and Malia, I think their mother kind of give them a bath or something. I don't know. They know something about the place. Yeah, so this is just a quick update, guys. You guys know yourself. You always been checking in. Want to know what's going on, if everybody's good. So we appreciate that as well. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update as to, you know, what's the status of Marvel, my brother, and, you know, Rochelle. Submitted the rural renewal stream application. I did that for when? For when? November?
November.
Did that for November. And yeah, guys, we did extend the visitor's visa. That was good. What was that process like, bro?
That was quick. Even I was surprised how quickly they got back to us.
So like, what kind of documents them ask for?
Oh, not sure. You know, say, not much. Just your passport number and some other familiar information like where you're staying, etc., etc. I don't remember.
Yeah.
Everything.
But them not asking for nothing too tough, like.
Oh, no, nothing out of the ordinary.
Okay, no proof of income, none of them things.
No police record, no nothing.
Yeah, I keep telling people that the visitor's visa extension in Canada is like a 1, 2, 3 process. But people always, you know, make it seem like it's difficult. But you have to submit your application at least 30 days before the 6 months up. You understand? So the visitors visas has been extended already, guys. We're just waiting on the rural renewal stream to come forward, and then everybody legit and everything up and running. You understand? Application submitted already. So you know, so the job offer, everything, all of that was done already. So we're just waiting on the process, right? If you're watching this, I work with Alberta Immigration. Free up the thing, man. Free up the thing. I know the thing said. You understand? Yeah, man. Free up the thing. So we've been away from Jamaica now for like what, 8 months?
7 to 8 months.
7 to 8 months. You're not homesick yet, man?
Eh?
No?
No, I'm not homesick yet.
You're not homesick yet? Yeah, so you don't miss nothing about Jamaica yet?
No, not yet.
Yeah, no, this man brutal. I want to talk to Russia.
I'm completely honest. That's it.
Yeah.
You're not honest, you're brutal.
Because Russia said she miss the food and she want a trip already and anything. I said, no, you.
No.
No.
I'm not missing nothing. No, because I can easily adjust to any environment. That's just some mistake.
Gotcha. So that's a Russian alone for you guys Jamaica.
Yeah, but I don't know when I share alone, I go still.
Yeah, so but the longer you're there, the more you miss things about Jamaica still. I said not yet.
No, not yet.
Oh yeah, okay. Food and everything different, but I probably get accustomed to the food taste right here, you know.
Oh boy. Honestly, I'm still trying to get used to it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why? The food that tastes the same way?
Me not really make that affect me because that's trivial things. To me, that is. For me.
But food that tastes bad, man. It's just different.
No, I mean, yeah. As I say, you get used to it.
Yeah. Alright. Anyways, guys, smash a like on this like a quick update. If you guys are new here, subscribe to the channel. You know the straps. Myself, I turned on the pipe in a man video. You know the straps, guys. Just subscribe to the channel, become a part of the family if you guys haven't subscribed already. Smash a like and drop a comment. Alright, guys. You know the thing, go. Big up on yourself and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.